In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a back to top button in Google Sites. This feature is incredibly useful for enhancing user experience by providing an easy way to return to the top of a lengthy page. So let's dive right into the steps and get started. First, you'll want to head over to Elfsight's website. Elfsight offers a range of widgets to enhance your site, and we'll use one of these to create our back to top button. Once you've reached Elfsight, navigate to the catalog section of the website. This section showcases all available widgets, making it easy for you to find exactly what you need. In the search bar, type back to quickly locate the back to top widget. You should see it appear in your search results. Click on the widget to learn more about what it offers. Don't worry if you're not familiar with all the features yet, you'll have a chance to explore them as we customize the button. Next, you'll need to choose a template that suits the style and design of your site. There are a variety of templates, so take your time deciding on one that complements your existing layout. Once you've made your choice, click on Continue with this template to move forward. Now let's customize the button to ensure it fits your specific needs. Start by clicking on the icon option. Here you can choose an icon that best represents the action your button will perform. After selecting an icon, you might want to adjust the text to clarify its purpose or align it with your site's tone. Simply choose the text option and make any necessary changes. At this stage, consider the color scheme of your button. By modifying the button color, you can make sure it stands out yet blends well with your site's overall theme. Don't forget to adjust both the icon and text color so everything looks cohesive. Once you're happy with your design, click on Publish. If you're presented with pricing options, select the free plan to continue without any charges. After this, click on Copy Code to get the HTML code you'll later embed into your Google site. Next, head over to your Google site. Navigate to the page where you want to add the back to top button and select the embed option. Then click on embed code and paste the code you copied earlier. After pasting the code, click on next and then insert to place the button on your site. With these steps completed, your back to top button should be up and running, ready to enhance your site's navigation for visitors. Following these instructions will make your website more user-friendly and professional, so take pride in this useful addition. Enjoy your newly enhanced Google site, and don't hesitate to explore Elfsight for more widgets that can further improve your site's functionality.